The process for self-enrollment using the Keystone online system is going to be fairly simple for all of our students and parents to go through. Here you do see the homepage, which across the top gives an easy access to each of the course catalogs. They are also available if you scroll down to view them. For our students who have previously used the online system, they are able to log in using their previous email and password. And for our new students, they would simply register with the information. On this page is where the student logs in for previous students or creates a new customer account. We do have the option for a parent, an adult student, or someone who is from the school that is registering the student. Once the account has been created, they will see the name come up on the top right-hand corner, and then there are different options for things that can be done in here. For the purpose of ordering courses, they would select the course catalog that they are wishing to view courses from, and then they'd be able to look at the different subject areas, the different course levels, whether they're looking for online or print, and then scrolling through to select what they would like to do. There is also the option of doing full year, semester 1 or semester 2. Courses can be quickly added by selecting the quick add button, or if they are looking for more information, clicking on the course name will take them to view the course details, the course material, as well as the course outline. They can then select to add it to the cart. Once an item has been added to the cart, the option is there to check out or continue shopping if you're wishing to add more courses. For the checkout process, it will take them to the shopping cart. They can verify what has been added into the shopping cart and then proceed to checkout. At this point, a student would need to be added. For a parent that has previously enrolled students, they would be able to select from any students that they have attached to them. For a new student, they would just click here and then update the student's information. They will also be asked to enter the student zip code, and the further address would be added later. We do have options for students to select the gender or not answer it if that is their preference. Once the student has been connected to the courses, they can view all of the information and edit if necessary. There is then a list of terms and conditions, the enrollment agreement, the general terms and conditions that they would need to select that they have read and understood before proceeding. The shipping address would be added here. As well as a phone number. Shipping options, if there is anything to be sent, would be selected at the bottom. They're then able to verify that the shipping address has been corrected, and then would move on to the payment options. We do offer the option to pay in full or to do a payment plan. Once that has been selected, the card information would be entered. They would verify the billing address and then select continue. After the card information has been entered and continued, they will be able to review the order, verify the delivery method, verify the billing address, that the card information is correct, and then select to place the order. Upon successful order, they will receive a green box that gives an order number so that they know their payment has gone through.